Hey everybody, Dr. Marc Lai here, one of the clinical ambassadors at Dental Advisor. And today I'm thrilled to be joining you from my hometown, San Francisco, California, at my private practice, Lai Dentistry, where we focus on longevity, aesthetics, and implants. But outside of private practice, my role at Dental Advisor is a unique one, and I have the honor of working with a number of dental companies in their newest products. And one of these companies is 3M Solventum, a company that really needs no formal introduction. It's a company that has been dominant in the dental industry for a number of years and is a company that has given us clinicians products that have led to exceptional results as it pertains to structural strength, aesthetics, and longevity. My favorite thing about 3M is its constant commitment to research and innovation. They're constantly pushing the envelope and using their R&D to give us new products that serve as what we here at Dental Advisor consider clinical problem solvers, products that are going to help streamline our workflows, hopefully make the days more predictable, more efficient, more profitable, and certainly more enjoyable. So got a couple of new products from 3M Solventum that I want to cover in this clinical tip video. So stay tuned. We're going to get right into it. All right. So for today's clinical tip video, we're going to be discussing 3M Solventum's newest product, their Filtek Easy Match Universal Restorative System. It's a composite system that comes in both the paste composite as well as a flowable, and it comes in three universal shades: a bright, a natural, and a warm. All right, so here we are again with our 3M Solventum Easy Match Universal Restorative Composite. Again, it comes in three universal shades: bright, natural, and warm. And it comes in both the paste and the flowable system. Each box also has this nice flow chart. It's a cheat sheet, if you will, that gives you the shade recipes as it relates to the Vita Classic Shade Guide, and also has some information you don't want to cure the composite in increments larger than 2 millimeters, and it has some wavelength specificity as it pertains to your light. And then to my right here is the composite warmer, Filtek Composite Warmer, their new product that is indicated for use for all Filtek composites that have been approved for warming. So it's got a really nice on-off switch. All we got to do is just press it once, turns right on, and the company states that composites can get warm in just about 2 minutes. It's got this nice little revolver style carrier that holds the compules, as well as a slot for your full. All right, so I wanted to discuss a clinical case with you all today that was recently published in the Dental Advisor. And it's a case that involves the use of the Filtek Easy Match Universal Restorative System, as well as the Filtek Composite Warmer. The case involves a 38-year-old female who presented to the practice with recurrent decay around an existing resin restoration on tooth number 3 and some distal proximal decay that we noticed on an x-ray. So I'm going to get through the step-by-step process of how I use this product with great success that produced an incredible result. All right, so as you can see, the preoperative photo of tooth number 3 with the existing resin restoration. We're going to go ahead and anesthetize the patient. We're going to place our isolation materials on, that being the rubber dam. And then we're going to have our setup with our pre-selected shade materials. We went with the natural here. I did select the bright, and you're going to see in just a little bit with the flowable. We're going to go ahead and remove all the existing resin material as well as the caries dent. And you can see some discoloration of the gingival floor. And then we're going to prepare the tooth surface for bonding. So I always start with air abrasion. I'll put a little air abrasion there, and then I'm going to put my sectional matrix band on. Then I'm going to do some selective etching, and then we are going to place our adhesive, the Scotch Bond Universal adhesive. We like to stay in the family when we do our restorative treatments. And then we're going to place our bright shaded flowable material. Again, this material, because of its color science that 3M has come up with, does not need a separate blocker. It's going to block out that discoloration on the gingival floor very well. So we cure that. And then we're going to incrementally place our Filtek Easy Match Universal Restorative Natural and build up that tooth and cure it after a number of layers. You can see it finishes and polishes incredibly nicely, very much like all the other Filtek materials we've come to love over the years. And then we'll take off our rubber dam, we'll check the occlusion, and you'll see our finished result after we do another final polish. All right, and so very happy with this material. Thought it worked incredibly well in this situation, and quite frankly, in a lot of the other clinical situations that I've been using this material for, classes 1 through 5. I've been doing it now for great success ever since I've gotten this material. Really liking it. I encourage you all to try it if you haven't already. Just another great product from 3M Solventum.